Okay, well, now welcome back, my people. This is still I, the red. And as we talk, I'm always, if you get matter, we like say you want more, we talk. Make the thing tutorial for body. Just send and give us for I, the red at wazobiatv.tv. Or also follow us on Twitter, we'll be at I, the red. At I, the red. If you also go like our fan page, we'll be facebook.com/wazobia I, the red. So we is doing it. Of course, who and chose his own topic.
Well,
as pick your topic yourself.
I pick it with every prayer.
Pick it yourself.
I see and pick it.
Oh, okay.
I open eye with many lights. This matter where they grand so that matter where you really shock us. You know, if they say face me and face you, definitely quarrel must be compound. But it can't surprise me say this one are flat. Yet wala Congo day. Say one lady or tenant strangling landlady to death because of light bill.
Sorry.
Because of light bill. Make we hear the story.
Okay.
Tenant don strangle landlady to death because of light bill. Police then they find one female tenant wey her name be Shakirat because she don strangle her landlady to death because of light bill. The kasala happen for Mowe, Ogun State. The report be say the landlady Saida Ishola aka Iya Olope don be get quarrel with Shakirat in the morning because of light bill. The suspect be accused her landlady say she cut off her light for early momo. Now wetin provoke her pass be that because she be wan use the light see road that morning. Samson Ishola, the landlady pikin, yarn say when Shakirat dey strangle him mama, him uncle wife wey get belle come run come inside the bedroom as she hear her cry. But Shakirat come overpower the uncle wife wey get belle. Shakirat come escape enter sky.
Shakirat escape enter sky. She been win.
Shakirat na man.
I be Shakirat na man.
Na woman.
Na
woman.
Then go kill woman.
Woman kill woman.
Oh my God.
That woman must be a wrestler.
And a girl.
See wetin on her cause. See wetin on her cause. PHCN.
See where you
Oh yes. If they say that they bring small bill, they say that they cut this bill small. How two people go take fight, kill each other? You know they get a bill take too much when that one where they give her the bill. You don't see the landlady as nepa.
Or maybe now those guys come be like say everybody for the company they use 1 meter.
Yes.
Then maybe their landlord come they use AC. And she now one small table fan.
Yes.
Now she get told they blow her conscience when she dey sleep. I should know first. But you know they should keep person now.
Oh.
Abba, you know you should keep person.
But you know, see na anger.
Shakira.
I don't know whether the landlady wants to
Nepa people see what you they call.
And I know when something of death like this, you know say sometimes somebody won't kill you, but now you call smart pass, can't kill the person.
But for this Shakira to go to the woman bedroom, the Shakira won't kill the woman. After they don't quarrel for
Fight,
you can't go fight and go inside
fight.
bedroom.
One person must stay home, one person must stay away.
But the two of them they home.
No bedroom na that landlady.
Okay, bedroom na home.
Na landlady home.
The compound na away.
No, the compound na neutral ground.
Shakira, anywhere you dey, you not try.
No, you not try.
Because of light.
Yeah. That make
No,
this
man, I
story.
don't see like say I dey support bad thing. I dey try to look from the other angle to know whether it's possible.
Shaggy,
All
you
right.
pick yourself.
Me, this one, and I give me, I not pick out.
Shaki or Shaggy?
Shakira.
Shaggy.
Not Shaggy.
No, not Shaggy.
Shakira.
In those days, when we see Ekelebe for road, they stop you, say park. They go ask you which paper, different thing. They go the one you know, they go find one small thing there where they call it delay you one kind. You as a sharp Nigerian might go no say yes, this one, they want something. Then you can tell your neighbor, say, my guy, find out something. But nowadays they tell you, oh, my guy, anything there for the boys. Anything for the boys. But this one happen for airport. They say now, even the first person, they collect something for their hand.
They could do like Yoruba area, but your money now.
So more hear the story.
Okay, more hear the story. Extortion for airport by uniformed personnel. Recently, the Nigeria Customs Service does suspend 12 of their officers for Orishi offenses. Among the 12, 3 na assistant superintendent where they collect money by force from people where they travel with aeroplane. The 3 of them will be there in charge of currency declaration desk for the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport for Abuja don by force collect $13,000 from one Emirates airline passenger hand during outward clearance. Aeroplane people wey dey travel well dey complain well say this by force collecting of money for their hand don too much by this uniform personnel. E dey spoil the country image.
Abeg, na whoever is in the shop, whoever is in the work, na take the shop.
But if custom officers
now you go take collect a whole $13,000.
They pass 13 where they work.
They say
about 10 now.
They say they carry 12. Job like disciple now. Instead of 12, 3 come be superintendent. Job like those 3 major disciples.
Yes.
So now they collabit $13 for that.
They go settle other people now.
If we collect $13K.
You know say this thing like play like this thing where they talk like play so don't happen to me before. My wife they travel. They go Yankee. We can't reach airport. Our bag dey oversize. They can say okay, it's either we could come out some things put for another bag, or we buy another bag. Then we go pay excess luggage. But instead, you know, normally when you want pay excess luggage, you go to their office. You go pay, they will give you receipt. Or what you guys say, okay, you know what will happen, and might just go. May I clear them? Say, may go see that guy. I can't go see the guy. The guy come. The best way they weigh the bag, because you get where you go take weigh the thing. When you weigh them before you can go, you know, I go tell you how many kgs, how many way you go pay for. You don't tell me say 12 kg extra, now I go pay for. Say where be the office? Say now for up. I can say okay. Say as I say make I go, if you come me to say no need me go office. I feel just settle on here. You know, go instead make I go pay the like 10K. No, instead I go pay like 20K. So I feel you give her like 10. I say for what is
slash am straight to.
Make I pay you 10K. You go give me receipt. You say say if I want pay receipt for receipt, make I go up. You know, say when I go up finish the rate where the guy they will tell me say I go pay 20K. When I reach up now 7.5.
Wow.
7.5 now. This thing that they do, you know, say a lot of people they will say they travel for the first time. So when you don't know, they don't tell you that thing to put for your body. Say if you don't do it now, go come on your load. You say go find your. I see people they give their dollars, they give their pass and don't get naira again. See what I get.
See, and
everybody they use.
We don't forget that my first time when they go London, when they hold me for airport here. Only 50 pounds. Now I get to say you know rich where they carry go. And inside the 50 pounds,
they still bring something.
And you say no rich money where they
say no rich money where they travel.
Lucky child, remember that time when I they go already?
Because everybody they talk
that time when I they go already. Where they charge you for?
You play custom for
All right, to go already.
My friend, you are just a move to go already.
See, if you na dey travel, make una dey open eye, dey shine on eye well. Make anybody know how to money for airport.
Yes.
If you don't get your visa, you don't get your ticket. Now what you need be that. All you need to do travel clean. No carry anything where go make them arrest you. As you know, say you dey clean. What you carry, what you dey go do?
And
you dey genuine. No let anybody shake you say, one thing. The maximum amount of money you can travel na $10,000 or SS.
Sorry.
If you no reach, don't give anybody anything.
And for your information, if you dey travel, they go already.
You must hold your 1,002.
Go your 1,002. If you buy your ticket finish,
and charge for already.
Oh, what's already? Not overtake.
Yes, I be want to better.
Not good to hear you.
Well, the things we're supposed to do to travel out, Abi, please don't chop fufu. In case of Baba
Eba.
Because all those things, they show like drug for...
Yes, they show like smoke. They like to the nylon.
Uniform personnel, now all this one that they do, 9 person take carry Ebola enter this country. Because we sure that they stop us. But I see big money on a leave and pass. We don't see a moment and stop because our eye they red for now.
And the same thing our
custom
government.
officers,
Let me come to our government again.
If I'm going to use it on talk our last word.
Our government, more than they pay these people well. If they pay them well, they're not going to want...
No, Shakara not good for that one.
I mean, they tell you now. Why soldier are they come? Wait, I might give an example. Why soldier no they collect 20 naira the way police they collect?
No, be they want to start for officer.
No, they want to start for checkpoint.
You know the want to start for
road. I don't
custom officer. NDLEA, police now they airport too.
And they come now. I just give you an example. Say the reason why some they like to collect bribe because the salary is small. You know go ever see so you never drive motor past soldier checkpoint. Especially why they go, if like say they go home now, they enter worry, you go see soldier checkpoint. You cannot give a soldier man 100 naira. Who you be?
I like how much you figure them.
Except now you no.
Now what they are 250. Now what they are price.
understand? Because the salary is moderate small.
All right, Elenu.
How you put person for where they check for border and you pay am small money? No, check am.
Well, now make me to say where person take the work, now take the chop. That's why they call it workshop.
So you are encouraging. Now you are.